Kitchen cabinets are one of those things that you never realize exactly how dirty they've gotten until you go to clean them and realize this is actually pretty gross. I'm going to walk you through the steps to deep clean your kitchen cabinets inside and out. To start, add a squirt of dish soap to a bucket of warm water, then dip a clean cloth and wring it out. Use it to wipe down the surface of the cabinet, starting at the top and concentrating on any areas with visible grease splotches. Alternatively, you can use a multi-purpose cleaning spray. Just check the recommended surfaces on the label and test in an inconspicuous spot to make sure it's not going to affect the paint or the finish on the cabinets. Then spritz the cleanser onto a cloth rather than directly onto the front of the cabinet. For really tough grease stains, grab a multi-purpose cleanser with citrus oil, which helps cut through grease. Then let it sit on the spot for a few minutes before wiping with a damp cloth. After cleaning, wipe down the surface of the cabinet with a damp cloth to remove any residue. Then you want to dry the cabinet completely. Be careful not to let any water sit on the surface of the cabinet. If you have glass front cabinets, use a specialized glass cleaner and a lint-free microfiber cloth to prevent streaks and residue. Next up, clean the cabinet hardware by mixing up a solution of 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. Dip a clean cloth, then wipe down each knob or drawer pull, then dry thoroughly. Okay, once the outside of your cabinet is clean and shiny, it is time to tackle the inside. So let's start by just clearing everything out, then use the crevice attachment on your vacuum to clear away crumbs and dust, starting with the top cabinet and working your way down. If you ever want to do a quick clean and you don't have a handheld vacuum, just grab a lint roller and use it to pick up crumbs inside the cabinet or in your utensil drawer. Dry with a clean cloth before replacing all of the items in the cabinet, checking those expiration dates as you go. For more cleaning tutorials for every single surface in your home, follow along on realsimple.com.